So, good morning. I am at the stunning barrage de Roselend, where in a moment there's gonna be the Criterium du Dauphiné cycling professional race passing by. And what I'm trying to do, it's an amazing landscape. I'm trying to set up a shot in a way that I'm gonna get one close-up with a bit of a flash, field flash, showing the display in the background in the lake, and then with the other camera with the zoom lens try to get another shot. So I'm trying to optimize as many shots as possible with the amount of time that I've got. You know, the cyclists are coming in and out very quickly, so I want to try to maximize the possibility to do photos. So we're going to be talking about settings, positioning, how to get the best out of your cycling photography. Let's go. Well, this place is just stunning, as you can see. Mountains, waterfalls, and on this particular switchback here on this corner overlooking the lake is where I'm thinking to position myself to capture today's riders. Here we got Thin Sky car passing by, Lotto, Sudal, some of other teams. So in a moment the riders are going to be come down here, heading down around the lake that way, down to Albertville and off to today's stage 7, which end up in Saint-Gervais near the Mont Blanc. This, as you can see, is a stunning place. So as you see this beautiful corner, cyclists are coming down around like this. So I'm going to use the wide angle, this wide angle lens with the field flash, positioning myself in there, so hopefully get them to lean in the bike. And as they lean the bike, I'm going to capture them with the background of the lake and with the field flash, so I should have the cyclist well exposed at the same time with a medium aperture, so I can have the background still visible, so you can still distinguish the sea and the amazing landscape. And with the other lens, the 70-200, just to optimize the amount of picture I can take, I'm going to zoom them as they come down this part. I'm going to zoom them closely there and then take the other shot over there. At the same time, with the GoPro, we'll try to film everything. Let's see what happens. It's gonna be in half an hour. Let's go. Alright, so actually I'm gonna do video with this camera here, the Canon EOS M5 with a 50mm lens. Get them to come down here, and then as they approach the corner, they will enter into the GoPro filming, capturing this corner here with the lake in the background, and I'm gonna be positioning myself there in the corner to capture the flash photo with the wide angle lens. Stunning place, stage 7 of the Criterium du Dauphiné 2018. Beautiful event in a stunning place. that went pretty quick, as you can see. Within 10 minutes it's all gone. Professional tour, you know, about 100 cyclists, 150 cyclists passing by quickly in cars. So today with the wide angle lens, field flash, you gotta be in this position and following, track and follow. Today I've used also single point focus, so making sure that I was capturing the cyclist in the corner, stay with him throughout the shot. And of course, because with the flash it's only the first time you fire that you fire the flash, so I wanted to start firing in hopefully the best spot for the shot. Okay, I hope this will help. And allez, bonjour. Ah, j'espère bien, le coin c'était super. Un virage comme ça. Merci, bonne journée. This way you're panning, you stay on with the single point focus, and you capture the shot in the best moment where the cyclist is still leaning in the bike in the corner. You see the background with the lake and the mountains, and hopefully you haven't blown out too much the highlights in the sky. Anyway, I hope this will help. If you enjoy this type of videos, you press the like button below, and if you want to leave some comments or ask some questions, do it in the comment section below. And you're always welcome to subscribe to the channel, Fabulous Sport Outdoors. It's all about photography and also cycling and skiing. See you next time!